Hi, this is Eric, and today we're going to be replacing the right-hand slide bracket on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new right-hand slide bracket for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Start by opening the freezer door, then pull the upper drawer forward and tilt it up and out. Remove the lower drawer by pushing it back slightly, then tilt the front up and out. Then, using a 3/8 inch nut driver, remove these 6 screws. Tilt the door forward and lift up and out. Remove the light striker by inserting a flathead screwdriver into the 2 retaining slots to depress the locking tabs, then slide the striker up and out. Using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove the 2 bolts holding the slide bracket in place. Then lift up and out. If you need to purchase a new slide bracket, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the tabs on the bracket to the retainers on the rail and set it in place. Then reinstall the screws. Align the light striker to the retaining tab and press until it snaps back into place. To make installing the door easier, insert a small object onto the pinion wheel track to jam the gear so that the slide brackets stay in place. Then align the tabs on the door brackets to the retainers on the slide rails and gently set in place. Reinstall the screws. To install the lower drawer, insert it at an angle, making sure it sits beneath the support glide rail. Then pull the drawer forward so that the tabs align with the retainers on the slide rails. Make sure that the front of the basket is beneath the lip. To install the upper drawer, align the rear guide wheels on the drawer to the top of the support glide rail in the freezer compartment. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and let us know down in the comments below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.